Now the next topic is email. Email, as you know, the electronic mail. Electronic mail we are using to send our some files or any textual or multimedia contents over internet from one place to another very easily using internet facility here. Here you know the structure of the email. We have from the mail ID, in which you have to fill your ID, that means the sender's ID from where you want to send your data, and the next one is to, that means to whom you want to send. Now the next one is CC and next one is CC. CC and BCC major, here is a difference mainly come in our exams also. CC and BCC are the components, or we can say the points in the structure of the email also. CC, that means carbon copy, and BCC, that means blind carbon copy. In CC, all the recipients can see to whom that particular mail can be sent, and in BCC, that is blind carbon copy, that means the recipients can't able to see to whom that particular mail also gone. So that is the difference between CC and BCC. And the next field is subject, in which you have to mention the subject also. Next, the body of message, and you can write down whatever words you want to write there. And the next one is attaching files. You can attach one or more than one files together there to send from one place to another, or to whom you want to send the mail. So then next many more options are there, as you know very well. So here is the send button also. To click here, you can send that particular mail to whom you want to send there. So nowadays email facility is very common and very applicable also. You can transfer our data, you can send your data to far away, those persons who are sitting there. So it is very easy and very usable facility also. Now the next one is SMTP. Here is some kinds of protocols we are discussing. First one is, what do you mean by protocol? First we have to know about it. Protocol are the set of rules over internet which we are following while we are using networking. So here are some protocols we are categorizing. First one is SMTP, that is simple mail transfer protocol. It is connection oriented application layer protocol. As we know, when we are using networking facility, we have to opt some kinds of models like OSI or TCP/IP model we are using nowadays. So TCP/IP model we are using is the fifth layer, is the application layer on which some protocols are working, because without protocols you can't run anything here. So one of the protocols is SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, on the application layer. Connection oriented, that means if we want to connect with someone that particular time, this connection will be available, and after that work has been completed, so it would be disconnected automatically there. Again, if you want to connect it, so this connection will be oriented again. So that is widely used to send and receive email messages also. It was introduced in 1982 by RFC 821 and last updated in 2008 here. Now the next one is, as you can see here, some more points. Mail server and mail transfer agents use SMTP mail servers, and the mail transfer agents. Mail server, that means a particular server from whom all these clients, all these agents of using mail, these are connected. So these are using here SMTP to both the send and receive the messages over there. We are categorizing in here, or how our user level applications use it only for the sending messages only. As the name is suggesting, simple mail transfer protocol. This protocol is only used for the transferring purposes when we access our mails on our system. So here is another protocol is working on the same layer, application layer, that is IMAP, that is internet message access protocol over there, or POP3 we are using here. Now the next, these protocols we were discussing in the next video.